Hi guys, this is Lucy from DRILLMASTER Group.
Hi, this is Olivia.
Welcome to our live streaming.
Yes, we are from DRILLMASTER Group and specializing in solving foundation engineering problem for you. But before starting our today's live streaming, I would like to ask you a question. Now please look at this picture. As this picture shows, are you still using the traditional way to test the depth of your drilling hole? And as you can see here, this may using the rope to test it.
This is a really outdated way.
Yes, my friend, I would like to say this very out of the styles and more importantly, it will cost more your budget and the time.
Yeah, and also this could only test the depth of your drilling holes.
Yeah.
It doesn't test other parameters like diameters, the verticality, or sediment thickness of your drilling holes. So it's probably actually a bit inconvenient.
Yes, exactly. It is very inconvenient and more importantly, it cannot guarantee the quality of your construction and projects. And next, my friend, I would like to ask another 3 questions. Please look at here. The first one is, are you worried about the quality of your drilling holes? And actually, it is very important. Second, do you know how to find out the unqualified drilling holes and then improve it in time and guaranteeing the quality of your construction? And if you want to know these answers and interested, please follow us and pay attention to all of this live streaming and don't miss out. And we will also talk about the dangers of ignoring to test the drilling holes. Yeah.
Yes. Find out these answers, stay tuned, follow through our live stream, follow us, and reach out to your best foundation engineering solution provider anytime, during this live stream or after, we're with you. And now, Olivia, could you explain the last question to us? What is the dangers of ignoring to test the qualities of our drilling holes?
Yes, I really love to answer you because look at here. The potential dangers of ignoring to test the depth of your drilling hole. The first one is it may cause the potential dangers to engineering safety and will slow down the process of your projects and will affect the quality of your construction. Second, it will waste your labor cost and material resources. Yeah. And will affect the cost control of your project.
Yeah, so as we can see, it is really important to know the qualities of your drilling holes. But just how exactly can we do that? How do we know?
Yes, so our this live streaming, the topic is here. Look at here. It's called Ultrasonic drilling hole monitor. We would like to recommend this machine to you. It is very good and very useful.
It has a range of capabilities. Just in one machine, you can test all the parameters you want to know.
Yeah, this is more importantly.
Yeah, Olivia, could you briefly introduce to us the main components of this machine?
Okay, no problem. The main components, look at here. There are 2 systems. The first one is the host control system and another one is the ultrasonic system. Now let's Lucy introduce to us the more details.
Yeah, so in the host control system, we have the host control box, the CNC winch, and the cable, which then connects to our ultrasonic system with the probe that can be lowered down into your drilling holes to measure all the parameters. And with the probe, we have 2 different types. One is ultrasonic aperture probe, and the other is multifunctional probe.
Yes, and according to our customer feedback, they usually use the multifunctional probe, use the second one. So next, I would like to show you a video about more details these main components, and let's watch it.
Yes, follow through, and we'll stay with you after.
Ultrasonic drilling hole monitor. It is mainly composed of 3 parts: host or control box, CNC winch, and ultrasonic probe, which are connected through cables. We have two types of probe, ultrasonic one and multifunctional. And there are some parts like wheel bracket, analysis software, sling, and etc. We have strict quality control before delivery. Now, let's visit our warehouse. As you can see, we have this machine in stock. Please contact us for more details.
Hello, welcome back. This is Lucy again.
Hi, this is Olivia, specializing in solving financial engineering problems for you.
And as we just saw in the video, the structure of this machine is actually quite simple.
Yeah.
And our customers would also have two options in how we like the signals to be transmitted. As you can see, we have wired or the wireless option.
Yes, correct.
Yes. And do you want to know why we really strongly recommend you to use this machine? Why should you use it for your construction site? Let Olivia tell us more.
Okay, no problem. Okay, now let's look at here about why you need to use this ultrasonic drilling hole monitor. The first one is get to optimize the construction process, and more importantly, it will save cost for your project. Second, it will improve the success rate and the efficiency of the diaphragm walls and the board paths. Third, the quality of the holes and the grooves is directly influence the quality of the diaphragm walls. The last one is it will get amendments of unqualified holes and will improve the holes in time.
Right.
Yeah.
I guess this is quite explanatory. It is really necessary to have this machine because it will really find the unqualified holes in time for us to improve the qualities of them and also optimize our construction techniques.
Yep, it is very important. And we necessary to find out the unqualified drilling holes and then improve it. As we talked before, and if you ignoring to test the drilling holes, it will cause the potential dangers to your engineering safety and will waste more your budgets and material resources. And so that the affects the cost control of your projects.
Yes, and we would have many problems.
Yes, like these common problems that's in quality control of holes and grooves. Now let's Lucy introduce us.
These are the common problems that our customer and maybe yourself have experienced in your construction site, like shrinked holes, inclined holes that go sideways, or collapsed holes that is horrible for your piles. Or incomplete cleaning of the sediment at the bottom of the hole would also really severely affect the qualities of your drilling holes.
Yes, all of these problems, it is very common problems.
So that is why it is really important to find out the quality of your drilling holes. And this is what our machine would help you to do.
Yeah, so friend, do you know why you need to use ultrasonic drilling hole monitor now? And here we will introduce the traditional method for detecting single items. Now Lucy, please introduce the more details to us.
Yes, these are all very outdated versions where you can find out one parameters at a time. With hole depth, the rope measuring method that we mentioned before, to test the diameters with multi-arm caliper device ultrasonic method. And with hole verticality, we have contact inclinometer, ultrasonic method, or the aperture conversion algorithm. And with sediment thickness, there are 3 different ways: comparative method, resistivity method, and probe pressure method.
Yes, as you can see here, the traditional method is very, very inconvenient. It will cost more your time, the labor cost, and the project cost.
And this is why we have the ultrasonic monitor invented in the first place, because it's just one machine doing all these parameters for you at a time. And Olivia, could you just tell us what exactly are the parameters that the machine can tell us?
Okay, no problem. Actually, this machine can test many used for the testing drilling hole diameter and the drilling hole depth, verticality, and the sediment thickness. Yeah. And compared with the traditional method, if you use this machine, you can use one test can complete all of these parameters. And as you can see another pictures, this is the information reading is the testing results we print, and you can test maximum pile diameter, average pile diameter, and the minimum diameter, measure deepness, and the verticality and the maximum verticality, and all of these parameters you can test. It is very convenient.
That's a lot of details. That is just what our customer love and need.
Yeah.
It's so convenient, but I'm just curious, how does the machine actually work? Can you tell us the working principle of our ultrasonic monitor?
Yes, of course. I can give you an example. It's just like the principle is just like you stand under the mountain and then you yard at the valley, and then the sound will bounce back.
Like the echo.
Yeah, through the and then after the sprint we can hear the anchors. Yes, as you can see before. And actually, these machines, the principle is the same. The principle is the same, and they use the ultrasonic reflection method. And when one of our main components, prop, arrived at the bottom of the horse, and then it will convey the signal
to the horse control box.
Please wait.
The component that we introduced before in the horse control system.
Yes, horse controls this box, and it will convey the signal through the CNC winch and the cable, and you can view the information from the host control box, and then you can view the testing results, and you can print it. Yeah.
That sounds awesome.
Yes, now I'd like to show you a video about the whole process of this machine and tell you how to use it. Now let's watch it.
Hi guys, this is Lucy again.
Hi, this is Olivia, specializing in solving foundation engineering problem for you.
And next, Olivia,
Yeah.
can you introduce to us the main application of our ultrasonic monitor?
Okay, no problem now. Firstly, let's look at this picture. It can be used in both parts and diaphragm words. And as we said, talked about before, not only can test the diameter, sediment thickness, depth, and verticality. Yep. And also can check if there's any problem of the collapse position and tilt direction.
Right.
Yeah. And second, it can optimize the working process of your construction and improve the working efficiency of your project. Yeah.
According to the test result.
Yeah.
That is really
And third, it can test the inspection effects for the branch piles and bottom expanded bottom pouch and the branch pouch. So my friend, did you get it?
Right, this sounds really good.
Yeah.
But I would like to ask you a question.
Okay.
I know that there are other brands that also make ultrasonic monitors.
Yeah.
What is the advantages of choosing our products over other brands? I mean, what makes choosing our products better?
Yes, it is really a good question, and our customers may very interested. And I will introduce from these six aspects. Now, please look at the first one. Number one, the advantages of our ultrasonic monitor is that our machine have the powerful software with more brief analysis. As you can see here, this is the testing results from our customers.
That is really powerful.
Yeah. And second, now look at another picture.
Right.
Then our ultrasonic journey home monitor have increased a new function. Increased it also can be used to test the sediment thickness, but other brands so cannot achieve that now.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is a new function. Can you tell us the detectable sediment thickness and the sediment accuracy?
Yes, no problem. Now, actually, the sediment thickness it can take from 0 to 250 millimeter, and the accurate thickness can achieve 1 millimeter. I think it is the thickness is the same as this paper, right?
Right. That is
Yeah.
really fine.
Yes. Okay. Now let's go on. Then next, number 3 advantage, and our monitor can use both in the dry hole and the wet hole, but other brands can just test the wet holes.
Right. So we do have a wider range of
Yes.
kind of holes that we can test.
Yes, we specially invented that can be used in both holes.
Right.
Yeah.
And what's the fourth one?
Yeah, fourth one is the our machine can save the original data, and also you will have two choice to print you testing results, background and real-time printing. But other brands no display and no data saved.
This is a really good feature. I think
Yeah.
it's really useful for like real-time engineering.
Yes, you're right. Okay,
Moving
next.
on to the fifth.
Yes, no, Lucy, please introduce to us.
Right. Other brands, their result analysis is not achieved for you. You have to
Yeah.
do it manually, and you have to compare the deviation of the scale line yourself. But with our
Yes.
Unimate ultrasonic monitor, you can achieve automatic calculation, and you can synthesize three-dimensional histogram. So this is pretty much a built-in data analysis.
Yes, three-dimensional histogram, and as you can see here, this is other brands. The testing results you need to use the calculate manually. Yeah,
Right.
but our machine you can directly view the testing results. Yeah, so did you get it, guys? And six, our machine have the project management, and which can achieve real-time upload and unified management, which is very convenient. And here I would like to show you a video about a video. Let's watch it.
Let's watch it.
Okay, let's watch it.
Hi guys, welcome back. This is Lucy.
Hi, this is Olivia. And I believe after my introduction about the advantages compared with other brands, our friends are watching our live streaming have learned a lot. Yeah, right. And I think our customers' concern most is the price.
Right, definitely.
Yeah. Actually, I would like to say our machines, the price is the more competitive with, than other brands. Yeah.
Yeah, we provide better quality products with the same budget, and we have summarized a comparison list with our products and with other brands. As you can see here, the inspection results, we have the same standard as Coden, just as clear and intuitive with high accuracy, stable and reliable. And we do have a feature that other brands do not have, that is the sediment thickness detection that we have just introduced to you. And with the after sale, our brand have higher maintenance and timely service.
Yes, next 4 facets I will introduce to you guys. And the first one is the data conclusion mode. Actually, our machines is the automatic calculation and presenting the results. As I said before, other brands is use the calculate manually. It is very inconvenient and cost more you time, and it is very difficult, I think, because I don't like the math. Okay, the first one is the original data saved through the host. Actually, our monitor can achieve this points, but other brands cannot achieve that. Last one is the three-dimensional results presentation. As we introduced before, our machine actually use this three-dimensional
Histogram.
Oh yes, histogram. But other brands may not achieve that.
Right, as you can see, this is very clear that we have a lot more features.
Yeah.
And now I do have compiled a list from our customers who have inquired about the product.
Okay.
So I'm going to ask some technical problems.
Okay,
and I hope you can answer that for us, Olivia. Hope you are ready. The first one is, how much mud should be controlled to ensure the effective whole wall reflection signal can be received?
So actually, it is okay to control within the 1.3 meters.
Grams per centimeter?
Yes, it's 1.3 gram cubic meters.
Right. And next one, how about the diameter range of drilling holes that this machine is capable of testing?
It's from 400 centimeters to 7.2 meters.
That's a really wide range.
Yes, wide range.
Right. And what is the inspection depth of CNC winch?
Wow, actually it is up to 160 meters. Do you know 160 meters depth? How deep?
Right. I believe that satisfies most of the construction needs. And now just come to the last question. What is the voltage used by this machine?
Actually, it is a question about the safety. As we all know, it is very important for our workers, because I would like to say, please pay attention. Do not use 380 voltage, but also you should use the 220 voltage alternating current power supply, and please pay attention to electricity safety.
Definitely safety first. Safety is always first.
Yeah.
Please pay attention and do not use 380 voltage.
Yeah.
And Olivia, how strong is the power supply of our host control box?
Yes, about this, please don't worry. There is a high energy battery for charging, and charging for 6 hours. It will work for you 24 hours. It is very impressive.
Right.
And if you can charge at night, and then you can use this
for the whole day.
Yes, it
That is really convenient.
Yeah.
Right. Now I would like to show you a video and teach you how exactly to use it. Now let's bring in the ultrasonic monitor operation guide. Let's watch it.
Let's watch it.
Ultrasonic drilling hole monitor operation guide. The steps as follows. Step 1. Preparation. You need to prepare all equipment and then put the CNC winch on the drilling hole. Support it with a hot bracket. Step 2. Connection. There are 4 connectors should be plugged in. The first one is host interface connector. Second, plug the signal 9 connector. To connect the control box and winch through 2 cables. One used as the winch motor control cap and the other has the signal cap. Third, winch area plug, a connector to control the rise and fall of the prop. Connect through the 150 meters or 100 meters signal cap on the winch. Fourth, 220 voltage alternating current plug to supply the electricity. But please note, do not use 380 voltage power supplier. Step 3. Check. You should check whether all ports are connected correctly and firmly before the test. Step 4. Adjust the parameters. Test and print. First, clean hole measurement on the screen. Second, select the appropriate gear according to the drilling hole diameter and the situation of your construction, dry or wet. And then, when all the parameters complete the setting, click Next to enter the test. Then, click Start Test. After testing, you can print the testing results. And please note, this bottle is used to control the lifting speed of the prop. And please remember, when the voltage of the hose is less than 60, it needs to be charged in time. When the test finished, please unplug the power supplier first.
Hi guys, welcome back. This is Olivia.
This is Lucy.
Yes, as you can see from the video, we have showed you how to operate this monitor, and you should pay attention when the voltage of the hose is less than 60. It should be charged in time.
Right.
Yeah.
And if our customers were actually to use this machine, what other factors that could affect the testing of the drilling hole?
Yeah.
And what happens if the problem happens and how to deal with it?
Yes, the factors include the mold proportion, sand content, the mold consistency, and the air bubbles, and which will affect the strength of the ultrasonic signal. And the best countermeasures is to clean the hole, and it should be still for a while.
Right. So to make sure the hole is clean and it's still.
Yeah, it is the most important.
Right. Got it. And now we'll show you some cases where our ultrasonic monitor has actually been used in projects and helped achieve finding problems in time, like in Incheon Binghe Yellow River Bridge. The diameter was all good, but the inclination was off. As you can already see, these very clear tilted lines.
Yeah. Okay, and the second one is the China Railway Construction Bridge Bureau Fuping Railway. It has been tested. The maximal diameter is the 4,800 millimeter.
Right.
Yeah.
Next one we have the high-speed sea crossing bridge, and the verticality of the temporary casing was tested, and it was corrected in time to ensure the quality of the hull.
Yep. Okay, next one is the Yangtze River Bridge for road and railway. And after testing, it can effectively print the steel cage from the beam stock and improve the verticality of the board piles.
Right. As we all know, underwater condition is quite uncertain.
Yeah.
So a lot of bridges like to use our ultrasonic monitor for their piles. The next one is the Cross Sea Bridge, which has the diameter of 2200 millimeters, and the average depth of the drilling piles is 115.19 meters.
Yeah. Okay, next one. This one is the largest sea crossing bridge in Africa.
The Maputo Bridge in Mozambique, undertaken by CCCC.
Yep.
We also have more foreign projects. This one is the Chinese Maldives Friendship Bridge project, also undertaken by CCCC.
Yep. Okay, let's go on. It's the last one. It's the from our customers' testing reports. They have tested 125 bottom expanded piles.
As you can see, these are all graphics that our ultrasonic monitor provided. These
Yes.
can either be printed real time or in the background. You can choose
Yes.
either of those.
Also, you can view clearly the sediment thickness, and as you can see, all of these testing results, you will have two options to test the results: real-time printing and the background printing. But it is up to you.
To choose which one you like.
Yeah.
Next, we will show you a video that introduces more about the actual printing.
Yeah, let's watch it.
我们也可以就是说通过数据库里面的一个保存数据，然后通过测试完成了之后来打印。
还有一段时间吧，还没有去看那个成品啊什么的。
好，这个就可以行了。就是说这个就是说我们的一个优势的一个点，就是。
Hi guys, welcome back. This is Lucy.
Hi guys, this is Olivia, specialized in solving foundation engineering problem for you.
Right, as you can see from the previous video we just showed you, you can not only see the printing and you can save the original files.
Yeah, but it is very convenient for you.
Right, next we will introduce to you one of the questions that our customer really concerned about, that is the after sales.
Yes, about the after sales, and we have 10 years experience in this field, the solving problem for foundation engineering, and we also can provide 24 hours technical support, and all of our machines have 1 year warranty, but please pay attention, do not include the wearing parts. Yes, like the printing paper, and more importantly about the delivery, please do not worry, because we have this machine in stock and we can provide the fast delivery, the 50 days about.
Right, 2 weeks maximum.
Yep, and now I would like to show you more details. Let's watch a video about our factory.
Hi guys, welcome back. I believe after the previous video, you formed the idea of who we are as a brand, and you know more about our factory.
Yes. So our today's live streaming is about to end. Thank you so much for sitting with us, and we really appreciate your time.
Thank you so much. And if you like this live stream,
Yeah.
and you want to know more about our products, follow us and contact us now. If you follow us on Facebook, you will receive reminders about our upcoming more live streams and short videos introducing our new products, and we will share industry insights with you.
Yes, our next scheduled live streaming is about our products like caliber, drilling tools, anyways about the broadcast equipment. If you're interested, please follow us and pay attention to our next live streaming.
Right,
Yes.
until then, take care.
Yeah, so see you then.
Bye.
Bye.